Hey friend, and welcome to Stay at Homepreneur. I'm Chloe, and I'm genuinely so excited you are here. I created this space to help you turn your passions into income while building a supportive and creative community. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent, an aspiring entrepreneur, or someone dreaming about doing something you love for a living, you belong here. You're in the right place if you've ever thought, could I actually make money doing what I enjoy? Or maybe you felt stuck trying to balance family, life, work, or even responsibilities and still make space for something just for you. Trust me, I get it. I've always believed everyone has something they really enjoy. That thing that lights you up and makes you feel like yourself. I also believe that thing isn't just a hobby. I believe it can become something meaningful, fulfilling, and yes, profitable. Because let's be honest, life is too short to not be doing what we love and getting rewarded for it. I'm not talking about becoming an influencer overnight or suddenly having it all figured out. I'm talking about starting where you are with what you have and building something real, something you are proud of. You might have noticed a little detective theme around here. There is a reason for that. I've always been fascinated by Sherlock Holmes, and I've loved solving mysteries my whole life. And when you really think about it, turning your passion into a paid endeavor is a bit like solving a case. Where do you start? What's the first clue? Who is your audience? What skills are you already carrying in your toolkit? It's all there. We just have to uncover it together. This channel isn't just about tips. It's about real, behind-the-scenes moments, learning as we go, and supporting each other along the way. You'll see me share the wins, the roadblocks, and everything in between as I work toward monetizing my own YouTube channel and creative business. And to help you get started, I have put together a free printable called Detective's Case File, Passion to Profit. It's a simple but powerful tool to help you start piecing together your own case, your passions, your skills, your possibilities. You'll find the link right below this video in the description. So if you are ready to make your passion your paid endeavor, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I'd love to know what's something you enjoy doing that you'd love to turn into a paid passion. Thank you so much for being here. And remember, seize the day you deserve.